It's another jolt to global diplomacy, or should we say, a familiar echo in a never ending standoff. In a defiant and unmistakably unyielding address, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei has categorically rejected the new US proposal for reviving the nuclear deal. And his reason? It is against Iran's national interest. Khamenei did not mince words. He reaffirmed what Tehran has long declared: uranium enrichment is non negotiable. It is not just a policy, it is a matter of sovereignty. Khamenei thundered, and he said, true independence means not waiting for a nod from Washington or its allies. So the world asks again, what now? Is diplomacy with Iran a mirage, or is the US simply misjudging Tehran's red lines? Has the so called art of the deal, once flaunted by the President Donald Trump, left behind only diplomatic debris? Let's not forget, it was Trump who walked out of the original 2015 nuclear agreement. What did America gain? A tougher Iran, more uranium enriched, and a region teetering on the edge. And now, this New Deal proposal. But was it ever a deal if the other side calls it a threat to sovereignty? If America offers terms Iran views as a leash, is it even negotiating or just dictating? As the uranium centrifuges spin again in Iranian facilities, what's really spinning out of control is the illusion that diplomacy backed by pressure can still work. So here's the question the world must ask: is America's negotiating strategy pushing Iran toward compliance or cornering it into defiance? Has Washington lost the art of listening while insisting on leading? And most critically, if both sides refuse to blink, what comes next? Another deal or another war? Stay with us. The future of the Middle East might just hang on a few grams of uranium and a whole lot of distrust. For more deep insights, keep watching The Global Eye.